Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your OPPO Find X5 Pro. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now here we want to write Microsoft Edge. And hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. And after our installation process is complete, we'll be able to open the app. And here we can customize it. So the first thing is to add account or sign in to other account for your Microsoft Edge sync. So if you're using this browser on other device and you're logged in there, you can log in here as well to sync both of the devices. I'm not gonna do that, so let me sign in later. From here you can enable or disable to share your data and preferences with Microsoft, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna press confirm. And here you can set the Microsoft Edge as your default browser, and you can do it. Simply press yes, let's do it, browser app, and select Edge. Now if we go back, our browser is ready, we can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.